to start a new What's Up Blackout. This is UE.
Hello po.
Yo, what's up? My name is John. Rapid dancer Delgado. Yeah. What's Up Blackout? Grabe nakakapagod. Hi guys, my name is Tad, and I'm the leader of this wonderful group. Nice to meet you guys.
Hello everyone, I'm Maki, and I'm one of the vocalists of this group.
Mas malakas!
Hello everyone, I am El, and I'm the main vocalist of UE. Hello po.
Hi everybody, my name is Wilson. I'm a vocalist of this group. Nice to meet you everyone! Let's have some fun tonight! Let's go! So for everyone who don't know us, we are a P-pop group and we've been training in Korea for more than a year. We have debuted, it's been a year since we debuted, and the first song we just performed was one of our pre-debut songs. Yeah. And we really hope you guys like it. Did you guys like it?
Yung mas malakas! Parang humina lalo. Isa pa, yung mas malakas!
Yeah, sa mga hindi nakakilala sa amin o nakakalam, we are formed through a survival show called Dreammaker. Yeah. Ngunit hindi kami pinalad na manalo, pero binigyan kami ng second chance para makapag-perform ulit sa harap nyo. Yeah.
So, yun po. So ready na po ba kayo para sa next song po namin?
Yes, paano? Parang nasa na tayo. Hindi, ayan. So, syempre, kung may pre-debut, merong debut song. Tama? Yes, so meron ba dito nakakaalam ko yung next song namin? The debut song din namin. Kung mas malakas, meron ba? Yun, meron pa rin, no?
Yes. We dedicate the song dun sa mga taong na-ghost na dito.
Yes.
Or yung mga ghoster, meron ba mga ghoster dito?
Naku.
Kinakahiya ko kayo. Are you guys ready for this debut song?
Yes.
Okay.